ready for the snowy mountains? Yodelay-yoo-hoo! Let's go. Now, I can already feel my nipples getting rock hard. Do you think jingle bells are overused in snow levels music? Honorable mention to Xenoblade Chronicles, which has such awful ice mechanics that you can just launch yourself across the map so easily. Damn, that sucks. Never played those games, but I should probably get into those. They seem fun. Another shout out is Yoshi's Island, World 5. Love World 5, Yoshi's Island. Oh, fuck. Alright, we gotta go down here. Because I hear something. I hear you, buddy. Now, let's redo that. Oh, what the? That seriously scared me. Woo! I'll save that for later. Let's see what we got here. Oosh! Woo! Ha-cha-cha-cha! Almost had it. There we go. No, 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 no! Please just press the button. Fuck you! Woo! Okay, I haven't seen some red eco in a while. We found another use for it. We can only beat them up with red eco. That's good to know. I feel so powerful with this Kaioken! Kaioken over? Okay. Is there something down here? Is this where the down here is? We found something. What the fuck did I find? Oh, this is a shortcut for this thing. Okay. Well, we're here, so fuck it. Looks like I skipped ahead a little too much, but whatever. You'll find this entertaining. Look, more use for red eco. A little bugger like that got me? Really? Got it! Oh, fudge! My sphincter got so tight just there. My god. We done? With these squeaky fuckers? Alright, I have to go backwards eventually. I think I'll go backwards now. Fuck it. Internet, please! Chat, how many times have I said internet, please, in this stream so far? Okay, careful. I see what we're doing here. They put all the fucking precursor orbs on the edge here. Just to fuck with ye. They want you to use your fisty. I swear, is this thing If this barrier bounces me off the edge, I'm gonna scream. Oh, let me scratch my eye real quick. I'm getting annoyed. Alright. Chill. Hey! See what happens when you have control of your ADD. Fuck you! Sorry, this felt really good. No! Okay. Anything over here? If I was a video game developer, I'd put secrets over here. Alright, so that bridge is done. This ice is annoying. We have to go on the ice. Shut up. We have 1 life to live. I hate this. We didn't go over this bridge yet. Evidently, because there's stuff on it. Shut up! Wow! Wait, is this the very beginning? How are we at the very beginning? And how did I not make that jump just now? Oh, you're a... Whoa! I hate this game. What's that noise? Whoa! I guess these things are endless. Bye, bitch! Alright, we cleared all that. I guess we go here! What are you protecting? Those things are so annoying. Oh, this is the bridge that I passed earlier. There's stuff down there. Did we go down there yet? Let's clear here first.
How do we get inside this fort?
We'll figure it out. Don't worry, Jak. I'm Daxter. You're Daxter. Yeah, bitch! Felt so good. I got more of these things now to worry about. They can't come on ice, though, can they? They can walk on ice. Is it coming back? I saw it pop up again. These damn monsters. Alright, get off the ice. It's gonna be way easier without the ice. See what I mean? Oh, we can go up here. We can go over here. Let's go over here first. Because I know of the secret. Let's go inside the secret first. I hate this ice. I made that jump. Sure. These fucking throbbing penises need to get out of my way. Stay, stay, stay. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm guessing. I'm so guessing. I'm guessing at this point. Are we done? Is that it? Is this the yellow eco vent that I need for Spider Cave and Mountain Pass? Looks like we're able to go back to Mountain Pass and Spider Cave now. Shall we do that now or finish up the mountains? Chat, decide for me. Do we finish up what we're doing now, or do we go back and redo all our other stuff? Shh. What's that noise? I guess nothing. Finish up the mountain first. Okay, okay, chat. Okay. Does this do anything for me? Oh. And we're back to the beginning. Oh my god, that scream scared me so badly. I missed my ride, thanks. Hey! Oh, smooth. How? Alright, the timing's off here. Now! You like this image? You like this? Ah, skirt, skirt. More ice. I love the ice. I think these are the last of the bumper things, though. Oh my god, I hate these fucking... I'm here. I'm here. What the? They gypped me. There we go. Damn it! There we go. I think this is the last bumper we got. See? Now we take our red eco and we go beat up our friend over here. Now you're gonna activate yourself. Cool. I hear noises. I see steps. Alright. One moment. We have a bridge to cross. You know what? My curiosity is too annoyed right now. Annoyed? Not annoyed. Peaked. Curiosity is peaked. What's next? There's no orbs to collect, are there? This camera is going to be the death of me, besides the internet. Alright, so we wrapped back around there. Haha! I had so much doubt in myself accomplishing that. Alright, there's one more of these things to find, I think. Ah! Where am I? Seriously, where am I? Oh, we're here. Alright, who would have thought the ice would be the bridge would be icy too? Remember this little fucker? I didn't... Really? Yeah, just add a clicking clock to... A ticking clock to everything. Sure. Just add a ticking clock to everything. Makes everything easier in life. If you add a clock to it... You know how I do these things. I collect all the stuff first, and then we try for real. If I'm quiet, it's because I'm concentrating. Entertain yourself right now. Play with yourself real quick. Hooray! Give me some feathers or birds in the chat. Birds in the chat. Birds in the chat. If you can find a feather, give me feathers in the chat, because this thing's not a bird. It's a weird mix of animal. Let's go. You're... Cool. I collected all the things from that, right? Let's hope so. There we go. Thanks, chat. Bunch of ish to collect here on the ground level. Anything here? Alright, let's do the thing we gotta do. Here's the last guy. Don't you dare power up! How close are we to be? Oh, we got 2 more power cells to collect. And one of them is just collect the rest of the scout flies. Oh, 3 more. Alright, get through the lurker fort. And then a mystery thing. How many eggs? Oh, over 100. Okay. Not over 100. Close to 100, though. 92 to be exact. I wanted to fall down to fast travel back to the top. Wow. I legit tried to kill myself just now. Whenever I want to kill myself, the game is like, nah, you're fine. But if I want to last longer and actually play the game, it's like, fuck you. You're a piece of shit. Die. I should probably go find some help if I feel that way. Anyway, let's collect more eggs. I feel like my climbing is deteriorating. Like that. I'm being careful right now. Fall! Did I get all of them? I got all of them. Cool. These damn abominable snowmen are so scary. I'm shitting my pants every time they scream at me. You see what I mean? Oh, you hear what I mean, I should say? Fuck my dick. Fuck! My climbing is definitely getting worse. What the hell? Die! Alright, so I have to climb this tower. Gonna activate a few things I see. What's the point of this? That's the point of that, I guess. We're over here for what reason now? I want to go over there. I see a power cell over there. But I see some eggs. Why not? I see an annoying blue guy. Annoying blue guy coming this fall to NBC. What the fuck was any of that shit? You motherfucking goddamn cocksucking car! Ah! Ah! I love this game so much. Hey Jack, you stupid son of a bitch, why'd you grab the goddamn fucking pole? And then you're gonna be able to climb on top of the thing. You know that? Well, now we're here. We did it my way! There's stuff to collect, I know. Let's activate this thing so I have an easier time. If this thing kills me... Oh, there's 2 more? Woo! 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 I gotta go upseas? There's a roof. We got 1 more scout fly. It has to be here somewhere. I don't know why I have that accent on me. It has to be here somewhere. We got 1 more power cell. I swear, if all this shit was icy as well. You know, they probably thought about it at first. I guarantee it. Is this necessary, really? You can grab onto these things! I wasn't doing that before the spider cave! Oh, here we go. A little icy platform like that. If it followed up with another icy platform, then you have some trouble. Where am I missing a scout fly? I know where I'm missing it. I have to go over here. Saw some eggs over here. Internet? Now's not the time to fuck up. Swear to Christ. You can jump! Oh! Oh, I got some more icy platforms. I didn't see the pole there. Okay. I think we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. I just have the last thing to do. 1 last thing to do. I gotta go over here. Come on, get out of here. Nope, I'm going the wrong way. No! Oh yeah, it's over here I gotta go. Ah, shit! Didn't. Come on, super jump. Now. Other way. Ah, I need to come back over here. Fuck off. And give me that power cell. You know, saying power cell just reminded me. This is gonna be random, but not really. What's your favorite Dragon Ball villain of all time? Right now, chat. Answer me. In the chat. Let me know. Favorite ever Dragon Ball villain. Mine has to be that's a really hard question. Piccolo was a good one. I have never watched or read any Dragon Ball. Why? Why? That's the only question I have for you is why? Ah! That monster really scared the shit out of me. I do not know. No, seriously. Like, how did Dragon Ball escape you? It's the most, like, basic of basic animes. Everyone's seen it. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm, like, genuinely upset right now that you've never seen Dragon Ball. Very, very genuinely upset. It never piqued my interest back in the day, ha ha ha. Never piqued your interest back in it. Every single anime is based on it. So like, if you're interested in any anime ever, you're interested in Dragon Ball. Like, what the fuck? I cannot fathom your logic right now. It never piqued your interest. You ever watch any anime ever? This is truly mind-boggling for me. Never piqued your interest. That's not a good excuse. I'm missing one? Where am I missing one egg? Where am I missing one egg? How am I missing one still? What the f- It's literally one! That's all I need! No. Where did I miss one? I guess we gotta run back the entire stage? The entire level? No! I'm missing just one. One egg. That is surely annoying. Is it yonder here? This is... no. Ah, that's so annoying. How am I missing just one egg? I got so distracted by my chat. Don't tell me it's here. I don't think it's here. Chat, keep an eye out. Nothing here. Yeah, nothing. Maybe it was down here. Did I get all this stuff down here? That looks like I did. Was it over here somewhere? Where I fell? Where could it be? Oh! Damn bugs. This is annoying. Is that the only thing we're missing? Yeah, we have all the power cells, we have all the scout flies, just one egg! It's not over there. Oh, internet. Not a good time for you. Alright, this is where I fell. No. This is the most annoying thing in the world. There you are! Fuck out of here! Bye!